Hello, chemists. I'm here to talk about 3.1 Engage. The setup here is that it is an assessment on Schoology. This is formative, it's not summative. We'll always let you know when it is summative. So you have 3 attempts, okay? But there's some things you need to do before. So what you want to do first is to click on this 3.1 Engage link here in blue. And what will happen is it will open up Discovery Education. There is another video here, not linked quite yet, but it will be here, about how to use the Discovery website, logging in, all the features of it. So I'll always post that when we're using this site. So it says go to this website and read the whole page. So let's take a look here. It will, once you are done, okay, and logged in and you're there, let's just take a look at what we see. So a few different things on this website. Okay, there are different sections: engage, explore, explain, elaborate with STEM, evaluate. In the title of the assignment that I have on Schoology, right, it's going to tell you what section we're in. So 3.1 is like the name of this whole lesson, the concept development of the periodic table. And then I tell you what section we're in, engage, okay? So that means this tab right here is clicked, engage. You can go over to the other sections, right? But in this assignment, all you need is engage. So I always let you know what section to be in. It is a little confusing though, because they're all here, but I don't expect you to be doing all of these things, right? So the first thing is you're going to read through this section, thinking about development of the periodic table. Just read through it. There's a picture here with some caption. Keep reading. You do not have to watch this video. It's 35 minutes long. If you want to, you can. It's about classification in science, but you do not need to watch this video. Right? Then keep reading about the periodic table, its organization, a little bit of its history. And then down here, you see a picture. So you can make this larger. You can click on it, right? So we have copper wire. You can see about this information. You can download it. But really, the small version of it, if it's not something you need to see in depth, right, is fine. You don't need to click on this. But if you want to make it bigger, you can. Then you have to hit back. You have the back arrow to go back. Okay, so that's just a picture, but then I want you to watch this video, Properties of Metals. So when you click on that, it's going to open in a different page, okay? And then you will hit play, okay? And it will play that video. When you're done, hit back. It'll take you back to the original website. And if you want, you can look at these questions down here, okay? I'm going to be taking some questions from down here in the Schoology assessment over here. So you can kind of practice or look at them ahead of time. All right, this one's a long answer, but no one's going to be grading this or looking at your answers. This is just like in order to practice. So if you want to look at these, okay, in these sections, the engage sections on Discovery, you're going to have this, what do I already know about? So it's kind of like a pretest. I will use some of these questions, but not all of them, and I will change some things about them. But if you want to look through them, it might be helpful. You can practice doing them, right? So you can actually use a matching term and description. Okay, your atomic mass, what does that match with? Okay, let's see. Approximately equal to the sum of protons and neutrons. So you can go through, you can match. And you can submit it, right, and see how you did as a little practice, but you do not have to. So things that you need to do on this assignment is to read the text. Okay, read all the text, look at the pictures, and read the captions. You do not need to watch this video. You don't need to. And then take a look at the caption for this image and read this or watch this video here. Okay, optional. You can look at these questions. Once you're done with this, you should be able to go through and answer these questions. There's some multiple choice, some true and false. Okay, there's 5 questions. You can take it 3 times. So you can see which ones you got correct. It won't give you the correct answer. Okay, and that is the assignment. Good luck.